Yama kwa ba de ba Imadec TV studio. Nyame ensha obi bia o hwe Imadec TV no subscribe to your YouTube channel no. And yaba abeduru baby akwada nyame eye ne Thanksgiving official Thanksgiving or dey man fans after say okoje Talented Kids season 12 no e ba no. Enti eho ene ye wa ye ne ba ba twen na okoko wini ye no ne nkofo bi ne call competition ti beduru ho no ye nya akwanya ye ne one of the finest and I think so onumpo na edi first running up which is second position competition nim your friend no Rap Cratchy on the nya ne ba twen kom Rap Cratchy akwaba
Nyankopon do
se bia boko
bibia boko center for no
boko center for no
yeah
ala wana ka jo center for boko
when say shem kafu yeah doso
all right okay Rap Cratchy I say boko say enter for no Rap Cratchy after so community Talented Kids competition no I say yen sheda nte won kan bebre ni ade ade na mudi gu akwan mu a enu ntema yente won kan
okay ya say abrewa echewe dwaye a no osiesie no cause UMP music na Rap Cratchy ya nyoma bebre wanda ji nti de ombe ho ani boom
say boom all right nti rap okay
so far ya no kwaku flake eba be release new track called Against yeah nti ano kra yan check ra
okay nti Ghana for nhwe ni se nche wo ne kwaku flake
yeah
ma record area
oh ya bibi area
all right nti Rap Cratchy enne akwada nyame ene enim se oba be ye ne program ene wa ba ha odi first ena odi second one ne mienu muntem etesen nti wa ma ene wa ba be pie mu
oh menene ntem ya boko cause menene nya fanaka enya de ya esa me ba ha ba yana combination e o menene mienu ntem ntina e ma me ba ha
okay before answer na ye beto ebia na obi show na onim se wo na wo ye Rap Cratchy so my freestyle kakra bi na manfo sampa Rap Cratchy na o call Talented Kids no oni
say Cratchy na mo ho last year no wa be the same guy but sisa menyinam the new guy forget the old rap no way a new style we put a mantra a freestyle now check my status want to do this in Juma Bebre we are but I try to do this yes I try to do this to a rapper now with the same back to do this
all right okay Rap Cratchy no what the card in freestyle their mammo he always continue to be the Rap Cratchy just ended Talented Kids no on the Rap Cratchy Ghana for a show fans a show what should we expect from Rap Cratchy
okay they are more expected from me to say keep on following me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Charlie every
talking of Instagram, Twitter no obi ko Instagram, Twitter e dey ba dey no obi hu o dey be ma na hu say Rap Cratchy
okay
but the intermaker say obi o be ko YouTube Rap Cratchy but amafo bebre na create account o ma Rap Cratchy enti atade ben picture ben na da ho there in the chest say Rap Cratchy
o ko ho na onya about Rap Cratchy and Unique Music Plus
okay
all images ni videos ni nyina be ba
ho all right enti you say you are under record label which is Unique Music Plus enti ahasi a wa be performing and answer say
oh yeah me ba be perform
o ba be perform
yeah
all right nyame sure say frɛ wa ba all right nyame ensure mo say mo guso a mo hwɛ Imadec TV Rap Cratchy ene ye ne no atwe enkomo no o say wa ba akwada me program na say a o ba be perform ti watch out for Rap Cratchy ne performance
Without say,
Or say, I can't tell me this is a raw bed. Raw bed, the only thing with lamping. And I'm a talent, I'm a cat one day. Then you have to make them like I'm a race and rap remedy. Did you drop a song?
What's that?
I saw no chance. Me the full speed metro mass. The monkey can say catch mini size. Me punch na no the mude minimize. Charlie, keep on watching Imadek TV and keep on subscribing to the YouTube channel. I be you feeling it.